Greeting to the committee member from Chulalongkorn University. My name is Jaswant Phangpong. I am a fourth-year engineering student major in industrial engineering at Chulalongkorn University. In my major, we focus on how to make complex systems work better, faster, and safer, and we do some of data analysis. Over the past 3 years, I have learned to work with a lot of data and solving some real-world problems. Right now, I have an internship as a manufacturing engineer at Cardinal Health. In this internship, I learned a lot of how medical gold is produced and I do some data analysis to improve the quality life of the latex. Beyond my class, I am also a huge fan of Japanese pop culture, like the song, the music, and the anime. Right now, I really love the band Monoke Rock, which is a huge rock band in Japan. The reason why I apply for this course is because it offers an incredible learning experience outside the classroom, and it also provides me a good opportunity to work closely with students from Tokyo Tech. I want to be in and coordinate team, learn how to communicate with them, with people from different cultures, and see how they solve their problems. Furthermore, during my recent internship at medical manufacturing site at Cardinal Health, I saw my company plan to become a one-stop service for medical support where patients can consult doctors online and get their pills delivered directly. This sparked my interest in one-stop service system and this course because it is the perfect opportunity for me to align my experience in my internship with the academic teams. And in this year theme, the Future Home Hospital relates perfectly to my academic background and my internship experience. With my background in industrial engineering, I can relate my skill directly to this team by acting as an process engineer or an data analyst for my team. I know that my skill in data analysis and continuous improvement will help the team a lot when designing the system, spotting the bottleneck, and finding the best way to optimize workflows. Moreover, my internship at a medical manufacturing site gave me a strong foundation to learn many new things from this course. Like, for example, there are still processes in my site that can be improved. By taking this course, I can use the advanced knowledge that I gain in this course to help them optimize their system and make their one-stop medical service much more polished and efficient. From this program, I expect to gain a lot of new knowledge about smart technology like Internet of Things and some advanced healthcare systems. I like to participate in the field trips to study this topic in the real-world environment and learn daily from the expert from both professors from Chulalongkorn University and from Tokyo Tech. But more than just some technical skill, I also want to gain a lot of the soft skill from here. I want to become much better at working in a coordinated team, managing project, and become better at presentation. Moreover, I want to build a good relationship with students from Tokyo Tech. Finally, I believe that joining this course is a great experience and I promise to give back to Chulalongkorn University both during and after the programs. During my time in this program, I will work dedicate, dedicatedly to this team, to this course, and become a proud representative for Chulalongkorn University. And I want to build a good relationship with students from Tokyo Tech and use good relationship with Tokyo Tech University. After the program ends, I will bring this valuable experience back to our campus. I plan to share my experience to student talks, help guide the junior who want to apply to this course, and use my new skill that I gained from this course in my senior project in my department. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I hope I can get selected to this course. Thank you.